Hey guys, I figured that, it went away. I figured that, my last wave was a lot of fun to make, and, it worked really well, so, phew! So I figured I'd make another one, using the same candle. Phew! 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 Whoa! A rare triple, guys. You're making history, or I'm making history. You're hearing it, I guess. Jeez, stuck. Phew, shit. I don't know why I didn't find this candle sooner. This is working fantastically. Is that even a word? I don't even know. Phew. Oh, I thought I was gonna sneeze again. It went away. Don't you hate when that happens? That's the worst. But my nose is still tickling. Phew. I think I better go. This is bothering me too much. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed, and it happens to be Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Phew! Apparently one more for the road. Okay, have a good day.